Hey guys, what's going on, AUI family? So I am here to show you what I have that's exciting and what I have in store. This is my old juicer. It was like a single use type thing. Once I use this for an hour, a little over an hour, my juicer shuts down on me. Okay, it gets a little overheated and shuts down. So I kept complaining like, oh, I need a new juicer. What am I going to do? I need to find me a juicer, this, that, and the third. My peoples, co-workers / friends heard my cry and they blessed me for Christmas with this bad baby. Juicer. Okay. So I'm super excited about this baby. Yes. Who could be able to juice a whole apple? 3 inches. Hello. Me. Okay. So yes, the Juice Fountain Cold. Holds 70 ounces, which is 2 liters. Has its own little pitcher. It has an extra wide feeding chute, which, like I say, can put in the whole apple. It gives easy to clean, so it's like dishwasher safe. That's always a plus. It's less than 1.8 Fahrenheit temperature transfer, which sounds all good and dandy. I'm just excited to have this, and 1-year warranty, which is also a good thing. Yeah, so this is my unboxing of my Christmas gift, you know. So let's see. So I'm gonna unbox now, and then I'm going to come back later because I have so much. My coworkers, my coworker / friend blessed me with $100 worth of fruits and vegetables, and she sent it to my house to go with my juicer. So I thought that was like super exciting, very sweet and thoughtful. So I'll be coming back to juice with you guys for the week. Okay, so this is the unboxing. Of course, we have our books, our manuals, let us know how things work and function. This is the warranty. Gotta make sure that I register for that because I have a habit of not registering for my warranties, and bam, stuff happens. So I'll definitely have to get on the ball with that. Okay. Whew. Now, nothing else in that box. Super excited, guys. I do keep my boxes just in case I do have to use the warranty. So this looks like a brush. Okay. It looks like a brush to help clean my new cold pressed juicer. This is the pitcher that the juice will go into. Okay, once I start juicing. This is the pitcher. And I'm thinking about doing a lot. I have a lot of fruits and vegetables that she sent me, so I'm really thinking about just juicing a lot of different things and combining it together to see how it tastes, because it'll be something that's different for me. So this is the actual, okay, so that's a picture. Okay, that's the picture. And this is the actual juicer. Oh, okay. I'm like, why it's not? So this is by itself. That's where all of the extra pulp and the extras go for discarding. So this is the actual thing. Okay, that's how you lock it down. Ooh, y'all, this is so fancy. I don't know. I'm a little nervous about using this a little bit. Yeah, it's just telling me to remove the cardboard before I use it. So yeah, this is the strainer. So here it is. And then I think this could be removed too, but this is the strainer on the inside. Okay, the strainer and the cutter to help cut to juice. This bar helps to lock the top in. This is the dial of low or high or off. And then it'll go into overload protection, I guess, once it's doing too much or have done too much. So this is the top with the chute. Okay, so you put the fruit in here, the top with the chute. Put the fruit in here, you push it down the chute like so. Okay. Then all of the extras pour out of here. Pour it out of here. So we're gonna take this bar and we're gonna put it in the grooves and lock that down. So that locks it down so it won't go anywhere. Okay. This is where it goes into the container where the juice flows into, rather. Now this might be a little too high tech for me, y'all. But we gonna see. I'm about to get this together a little bit. So yes, that goes into the container. Okay. So the juice will flow out of that nozzle and flow into here. This might be a little bit too high tech for me, but y'all know I love a challenge. So I like this because this actually protects and covers the little spout. Okay, so here, then this goes here. Bam. Okay. Oh, there we go. So we have that there. So all of the extra pulp and things will shoot off into here. The juice will come out this way. Yeah, the juice will come out this way. The pulp will shoot off into here. This bar is to lock it. This is our cord. It's pretty much put together, which makes it even better and easier. So yeah, spout closed. Take this off. Juice will be in there. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited. Really cannot wait. I love this, that it goes back on to protect that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I'm super excited to try my new juicer. My old juicer, I'm not gonna quite throw it away because this is so huge. And I might just need something quick like a juice for the day or something like that. And this will be too much to use for that one setting. Or, you know, one or two juices that I want to make. I'm not want to do a whole lot. This definitely will work for me when I'm juicing, prepping for the week, when I'm prepping my juices for the week. So this definitely will work for me for that. But I think I'm going to definitely keep my old juicer for small projects that I might have. You know, like something I want to juice for a day or two or something like that, where I don't need to pull out this big birther of a machine at that time. So definitely gonna keep my little go-toer, keep my little single use. So I'm just looking through the little book. I know with that one, the small one that I have, it did come with different recipes for that. Okay, so this one is too. Okay, so this one definitely has recipes as well. So I know my small one came with, in the book it has some recipes in it. So this one does as well. Gives you different kind of recipes that you can use in here. You can have your own recipes, or you can kind of play around with some of these recipes as well. I'm definitely going to play around with some of these recipes because I'm looking at it now, and some of the stuff on here I definitely have in my order that my friend sent me. So I definitely have a lot of the fruits and vegetables in here. So I'm going to probably pick a recipe out, a juice recipe out of here. I'm going to create it. I'm going to go live when I do juice so you guys can see. Definitely going to upload it to my channel. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share, because I'm definitely going to be doing a review on this juicer to let you guys know if it's a yay or nay, okay? So, thank you guys for tuning in with me. Can't wait to get started on juicing. See you guys then. Stay tuned.